Of course, with that wonderful toothbrush, it should come with another pair, which is yung toothpaste. And dapat napakaganda rin ito. Sabi nga kanina, absolute quality and absolute price. Our Atomy Propolis toothpaste is a winner. This is like your nature shield, right? If the toothbrush is the golden standard, for me, this is the nature shield. Why? Propolis, its main ingredient, has so many protective features. Ang dami po niyang antis. Antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, antiparasitic, anti-inflammatory, anti-so many kalaban ng ating bunganga. That is how powerful our propolis is. And I wouldn't, what do you call this? Hindi ako magtataka kung bakit during the COVID time, merong nagsabing they use this to combat the COVID, although it's not recommended because it has other ingredients that are not for that purpose. But it does have that function, right? So let's not abuse yung limit also ng ating products. And it's not just the propolis that's very good in this toothpaste. It also comes with green tea extract. It has a similar effect. So, hindi na sapat yung isang product. Dagdagan pa natin ng isa pang product na kahit may similar effect, but when combined together, they can have a better result. So, ang galing, no? Green tea extract, aside from its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial as well, it helps in deodorizing. It helps in combating the bad breath. But alone, it may not be able to do so much. And of course, the sodium fluoride. I don't know about your belief, but sodium fluoride, we cannot do away with sodium fluoride. It's the natural occurring compound, substance, that can actually harden yung structures ng ating enamel. Did you know that the hardest part of the body is found in your teeth? And it's called the enamel. But there is one weakness of enamel that is acid. So with the sodium fluoride, nare-repair siya for a certain period, okay? And then, another thing that I like about our toothpaste is the presence of xylitol. Xylitol is a sugar. What? Sugar? Nasa toothpaste? Yes po. What is so wonderful about xylitol is whenever the bacteria eat on the xylitol, it does not produce acid, just like the other sugars. Oh, right? That is the role of xylitol. Pwede na po tayo umuwi at bumili na toothpaste and share the love. All right. So, hindi po ito preparation for the kids and for the adults, unlike the toothbrush, no? But we have yung mga mas economical ang ating 200 gram that comes in 5 packs. Mas matipid po siya. It's pampamilya. Hindi lang pampamilya, pang sports pa. And then we have yung smaller sizes. Kaya mas mahal siya, of course, we have to consider yung packaging, right? One of these size is equivalent to 4 of that small sizes. But it's okay, it's very handy and you can bring it anywhere you go. It's for the family and for the singles. Oh, pwede yan. Okay. And, of course, for the people who love to travel or who love to sleep, or your work requires you to sleep in many places, ito po ang bagay na bagay sa inyo. And then you bring it to your office, you bring it to your workplace, you bring it anywhere. You bring it to your school. Ito actually, product na to ang isa sa pinaka-saleable sa pinakaunang pasok ko po sa Atomy. Kasi natutuwa sila, it's almost like their first time to see a set of toothpaste and a toothbrush. And also comes with a floss. No, that floss, yung maliit po na yon, is very good for those, especially mga naka-braces. Kasi for most of us, hindi naman siya kakasya talaga. It's an interdental toothbrush. You can wash it, rinse it, and put it back to the case. It's also bendable. And parang free niya yan. So, tuwang-tuwa yung mga patient ko na may braces for this. Okay?